Did you know that King Tut's mummy was prepared in a shocking way that broke every rule of ancient Egyptian burial? In 2005, modern CT scans revealed something that stunned archaeologists around the world. The embalmers had positioned the young pharaoh's penis at a 90-degree angle and covered it in hardened resin to make it permanently erect. This wasn't some accident or joke. It was deeply religious. Ancient Egyptians believed this would help Tutankhamun transform into the god Osiris in the afterlife, who was always shown with an erection, as a symbol of rebirth and eternal power. This unusual technique was only used for pharaohs who died young and unexpectedly, like the 18-year-old king. The embalmers carefully wrapped layers of linen soaked in preserving oils around this positioned anatomy, then poured hot resin over everything. This created a rock-hard shell that lasted 3,300 years. This discovery completely changed what we knew about ancient Egyptian beliefs. They thought sexual power in the afterlife was so important that they literally built it into their most sacred kings forever.